Understanding bird bath, a dive into English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, bird bath. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is perfect for you. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning behind this interesting expression. Let's start with the basic meaning. A bird bath is a small basin filled with water, placed outdoors for birds to bathe in and drink from. It's a common sight in gardens and parks. The phrase paints a vivid picture, as birds are often seen splashing around in these baths, which is both a delightful and natural scene. Understanding this literal meaning sets the foundation for grasping any figurative uses of the phrase. Sometimes, bird bath is used in a more figurative or metaphorical sense. For example, if someone takes a very quick wash, they might jokingly say they had a bird bath. This use implies a superficial or cursory cleaning, much like how birds quickly dip in and out of the water. It's important to understand that in this context, it's more about the speed and superficiality of the action rather than the actual bath. In different English-speaking cultures, the phrase might have slightly varied connotations. However, the underlying idea remains similar. In a broader cultural context, bird baths are often associated with peaceful, serene gardens. Thus, mentioning a bird bath in conversations or writings can evoke imagery of tranquility and nature. This cultural association is important for English learners to understand the deeper, sometimes unspoken, meanings behind words and phrases. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal. I installed a bird bath in my garden, and now we have many birds visiting. 2. Figurative. I was running late for the meeting, so I only had time for a quick bird bath. Notice how the context determines the meaning of the phrase in each sentence. And that's a wrap on bird bath. We hope this video has helped you understand not just the literal meaning, but also the cultural and figurative dimensions of this phrase. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with interesting discoveries, much like birds finding a new bath to explore. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language explorations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.